I'm at the garage, new place for me. I'm in Green Valley, Arizona, so let's check it out. The condiments are all on toolboxes. Okay, coleslaw. Gotta try that out. Good balance, flavor. Nothing too strong. Good. Let's try the beans. Interesting, I can taste a little bit of mustard in it, which isn't uncommon with a lot of barbecue places. Alright, let's try the pulled pork. Shredded. Good flavor. Try a piece of chicken. Very good. Man, I could smell this place a mile away. Pulling up. Here's the brisket. It's good. I'd recommend this place. I wouldn't tell you differently. That's where all the magic happens. Mesquite wood. Yeah, I can smell this literally a mile away. My truck doesn't have AC, so I have my windows down driving here, and I can smell it. It's good, so I had to stop. Okay, that'll do it here at the garage. Good food. Not the best barbecue I've ever had, but it is good enough to eat. And man, I could smell it. It smelled good for a mile or two. Could smell it, so I was like, where is this place? So I found it. Good place. Lots of love. See you on the next one. Peace.